Hi babies, how are you? First of all, I want present to me. I am Kimberly Noel Kardashian West, and I was born in California on October 21 in 1989. I am a famous because 15 years ago I started like I steal it of my best friend Paris Hilton. Amazing person if you are so me. I love you, baby. So later that year, my family and me began to appear in the reality television series Keeping Up with the Kardashian. Amazing. So nowadays I love my life. I have million and million and million of sorry. Kane, I can talk with you now. Okay, see you later. Sorry, my boyfriend. So nowadays I love my life. I have million and million and million and million of followers in Instagram, Facebook, and I don't know what more. I want to send you a lot of kisses, followers. So I am famous because I have released a variety of products tied to my name, like this, Kardashian. So my daily day is so easy. I wake up early. My chef Anthony cook me the best breakfast, always healthy. Science, that is so important to have a balanced diet. Then I usually go to the gym and hard work with my personal trainer, Marina. Amazing person, the best professional. If you want to work with her, I can help you. So, thank you for listening to me. See you, babies.